Hi friends! Welcome again to Pinay. For today's menu, we're gonna be making shrimp sinigang!
Wow!
Here are the ingredients. You may also use kangkong or any other vegetables. So let's begin! So first you're gonna cut the greens into small pieces. Remember to remove the edge. Once done, you have to rinse it with cold running water. You will also going to dice some onions. Make sure it's not too small and not too big. Same with tomato. Once water is starting to boil or boiling already, you may add your tomato and onion. Cover and let it simmer for about 12 minutes. Don't feel overwhelmed with the daikon because daikon has this stinky smell. I guess I shouldn't say that, but that's how it is. But when you cook the daikon, it has this really sweet flavor to it and it's really yummy. Cut the daikon in half and slice it, not very thin and not too thick. Rinse with cold running water. It is better to use rock salt in this recipe. Once the onion and tomato has softened, you may now add your daikon. Close the lid for about 6 minutes and let it simmer. So here is the tamarind powder that we always use. It's so hard to find the real tamarind here, so this one's a lot better actually. It has so much flavor to it. Once everything's boiling, you may now add your shrimp. So when you add the shrimp, you have to put your greens right away. Otherwise, you're gonna overcook the shrimp. I would say just cover it for about 3 minutes or until everything's good to go. So here I added more powder because I like it really sour. This is actually very similar to tom yum soup, but this one doesn't have any celery or any other herbs. Last ingredient would be fish sauce. Fish sauce has so much flavor to any Filipino dish. And ta-da! There you go guys! Our shrimp sinigang! Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more.